Hey guys, Dr. Oscar with Revolution Health Center here, and this is Melanie who's helped me out with this demo and continuing our conversation on headaches. And I really want to stress this idea that headaches, although they are very common, they're definitely not normal. They are a sign of some sort of dysfunction in your body and can be addressed to a point where you can get relief and if not get rid of them completely. Chiropractic is very effective at that. And I wanted to share with you one of the tools that I use on a regular basis with my patients that helps get relief from headaches. And what it is what's called an ArthroStim. It's a little jackhammer here. It's got this soft attachment on the front side here. And what it does is it lets me come in and help mold and shape the neck right in here. But not only that, release muscle tension that can really play a big part of headaches. We've talked a lot about that recently. So I just wanted to demo it with you. So it's got this little back and forth activation. What I can do is I can come in here right in this upper cervical spine and have somebody walk through motion as we have the ArthroStim right on there, and then we'll come to neutral there. And what that does is it begins to release a lot of the tension in these muscles right here. How did that feel? Pretty good?
Awesome.
All right. And take pressure off the neurology. And these, remember, are the nerves that go up and around the head. And that combination of adjustments of some therapeutic and rehabilitative exercises and the ArthroStim here, very powerful in releasing the instability here, helping to stabilize your spine, take pressure off those nerves, and getting you relief from your headaches. So if you or somebody you know is suffering with headaches, please go ahead and just click below. That'll get you to our next page where we have just a landing page is what we call it, where you can fill out your contact information. So that's, email address, best number, and your name. And that way I can have one of my staff members connect with you, schedule a time to come on into the office and do our $39 headache new patient special. And what we'll do is we'll sit down and figure out exactly what's going on and how we can help. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video.